Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 midday. Right now we're taking a look at some very blue skies in Grants Pass. This view coming courtesy of the Top Rock Northwest Grill. We were seeing a lot of thick fog here just earlier this morning, but now no such thing. It's 48 degrees right now in Grants Pass. And remember, just a few minutes back, we were taking a look at Brookings, and there's some very thick fog still there. It's still very gray this midday, but elsewhere, looks like the fog has broken apart. Temperatures this midday are all above freezing, at least that's what it looks like right now. So 30s and 40s for Siskiyou County, 30s and 40s also for Klamath County, 40s, however, for the Rogue Valley and along the coast. So if you're headed out to lunch this midday, maybe just grab the light jacket as you're headed out the front door. Here's your hiking planner for today for the Rogue Valley. It's going to be a great day to go on a hike for the rest of today, as we'll have plenty of sunshine and we'll have temperatures that'll be pretty mild for this time of the year. We'll be about 5 to 10 degrees above average, and that means that we'll be in the 40s to the east of the Cascades, 40s and 50s for west side valleys. Could flirt with 55 degrees for Medford and Grants Pass, and it's looking like we're going to surpass that along the coast in Curry County. Winds today will be light for most, although they could gust out of the south and east upwards of 25 miles per hour, and that would be for the Cascades. And then for tonight, we're going to be looking at some very cold stuff, as we'll be in the teens and 20s to the east of the Cascades, flirting with freezing, which is 32 degrees, but that would be for our west side valleys, and they're much too warm for that along the coast in Curry County. So for inland spots, you'll have to tend to the outdoor pets, plants, and plumbing, and just know that there is the possibility once again overnight that we could see some more fog returning to our valleys. But this morning we saw fog in the Klamath Basin, in the valleys, of course, but also along the coast. So it's just one of those things that we'll have to monitor very closely into tomorrow morning. Our forecast into Wednesday and Thursday and Friday is looking pretty similar, actually trending a little bit more mild in Thursday and Friday, so even closer perhaps to 55 degrees. In general, through the rest of this week, we'll keep it pretty dry and pretty mild. Yes, we will have a chance for some showers along the coast and up in the Cascades for Thursday, but we're not going to see widespread rainfall returning to the region up until the Sunday to Monday time frame, especially for Monday. So that's when we'll see our pattern flip again, you would think, but for the time being, dry and mild, as we'll keep it about 5 to 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Dry for Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll have that small chance for showers on Thursday, returning to dry weather for Friday. Another little small chance for showers on Saturday, and then much more widespread wet weather for Sunday and Monday. For Siskiyou County, keeping it pretty dry through Saturday, then a smaller chance for showers on Sunday as opposed to Monday. Showers looking pretty likely by then. And then for the basin, we'll have a chance for showers on both Sunday and Monday. And for the time being, it's looking like it's just going to be rainfall, as snow levels will be between 5,000 to 6,500 feet. Now, with that in mind, we could have a rain-snow mix up towards, well, of course, some of those relevant elevations in the Cascades. And some of our higher mountain passes could see a little bit of snow, but it's not looking like we'll have those high impacts like we had just last week, at least at this stage of the ball game. And then for the Rogue Valley, keeping it dry through Saturday, chance for showers on Sunday, showers much more likely though for Monday.
All right, thank you, Josh. I know it's been, compared to last week, we had a lot of rain. This has been a pretty dry winter so far, wouldn't you say?
It's just kind of come in little spurts and little waves. Like the start of wet season was pretty dry. We had a winter storm system here or there, and then last week we had a lot of snow. That was definitely beneficial, but kind of back into the downswing of things. So you would think that maybe if this pattern continues, next week would be perhaps a little bit more active than this.
All right, well, I guess we'll have to keep our eyes out, definitely.
Yes.
Thank you, Josh.
Of course.
Appreciate it.